Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to play Roblox without downloading it to PC. So let's begin. As you can see, this is my Roblox profile on my PC. So I haven't downloaded Roblox actually on my PC. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open another tab and go to the website called easyfun.gg. After that, you will find a website just like this. You will not need to click on download easy fun because that'll be downloading another thing just to play Roblox. So from here, you will need to scroll these options and find Roblox. So here is Roblox. I'm going to click on play now right here. And as you can see, Roblox is now loading. And as you can see, Roblox has been loaded. You can just click on sign in. And then you will be able to sign into your profile and start playing Roblox from this website. So you will not need to download the application on your computer. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.